Hello scrapers, tracking Tripadvisor reviews across multiple locations manually is time-consuming and inefficient. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scrape Tripadvisor reviews using Outscraper official n8n node, so let's dive right in. First, open your n8n instance and create a new workflow. Next, add a trigger node to initiate your workflow. For this example, we'll use a chat trigger, but feel free to select any trigger that best fits your use case. Next, add the Outscraper node to your workflow. And select Get Reviews from Tripadvisor from Operation List. Okay, now let's test the connection. To test the connection, we'll use this Tripadvisor URL to scrape some Tripadvisor reviews. You'll notice that the node returns a single item containing multiple reviews. To process each reviews individually, we need to add a split out node. This will separate the reviews. We can append them to Google Sheets. Split that node, then let's split this out. Execute the step. As you can see, it returns 50 items. Now let's append it to our Google Sheets. So, Google Sheets, then append row in the sheet. Then let's choose our Outscraper node tutorials as our Google Sheet database. Then I already prepared the Tripadvisors. Then we're gonna map it out individually. For the author name, we'll use author title. So review title, review text. And the review. Also the review date. Then let's see if it will be appended to our Google Sheet. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a structured review data for reputation management and monitoring. Visit Outscraper and start your free tier. Happy scraping!